So over here you can see that I have two objects, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this object out. So if I were to go around and then click and drag this out onto the top, you can see that there's a grid line over here on the center. And if I were to bring it to the center, you can see there's two grid line like crosshairs. This denotes that everything is in the center, and these are the guidelines that actually pop up. Same with the object as well. So if I were to keep this object right here and drag this out onto the top right here, let's say for example near this object, you can see a guideline over here denoting that it is aligned at the top of this object right here. You can drag this down over here, and similarly you can see the guideline on the bottom as well. Drag this onto the center, and it is at the center as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here and then go to the grid option, you can see that the guides actually show up because Smart Guides is turned on right now. Alternatively, for the grid lines, alternatively for guidelines, I can also turn on grid right here, and you can adjust the spacing of the grid as you can see, and adjust the number of columns over here as well. So now what I have is I have these grid lines which I can take as a reference to actually resize out objects according to how I like right here, and I know they are the same size. Similarly, let's say for example, if I want to arrange the object right here, I know it is aligned well onto this section. So now I can take that as a reference and place it out on the same section. I can go around onto the grid, increase out the column, increase out the space right here, and you can see that it can be taken out as guidelines right over here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with grid and guidelines to actually arrange out icons onto the design area inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.